All right, the secretary will conduct a roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. A vote in agreement is a yes, and a no for the other side. You, go ahead.
Roll call of members. Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian,
Excuse me. We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
yes sir. Oh, yes.
Ulitin mo.
Roll call of members. Senator Aquino.
No.
Senator Cayetano Alan.
Yes.
Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa.
Yes.
Senator Ejercito. Senator Escudero.
What? Abstain.
Senator Estrada.
Yes.
Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Hontiveros. Senator Lacson.
No.
Senator Lapid. Senator Ligarda. Senator Marcoleta. Senator Marcos. Senator Padilla. Senator Pangilinan.
No.
Senator Tulfo Irwin. Senator Tulfo Rafi.
No.
Senator Villanueva.
Yes.
Senator Villar Camille. Senator Villar Mark. Senator Subiri.
No.
Senate President Soto.
No. Yeah, hello. 30. With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions, in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
With that, Mr. President, may I move, therefore, to nominate Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer? Because I am, the position is already vacant. I think you must elect somebody to take the position. I am no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I
Yes,
suspend session.
Yes, with the session resumed, may I herewith move and nominate Senator Jinggoy Estrada as the temporary presiding officer.
Any objection? There being none, the motion of Senator Amy Marcos is hereby approved. Please proceed.
Mr. President, may we also nominate Senator Joel as the temporary or acting majority leader?
There is a motion by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that Senator Joel Villanueva be made an acting majority floor leader. Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, there was a nomination by Senator Amy Marcos to elect Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to be our Senate President. And I don't think, Mr. President, that there's no objection, Mr. President. And so I move that we close the period of nomination, Mr. President.
Is there an objection? There being none, the period, yes, is that an objection, Senator Pangilinan?
We do not object because we do not have the numbers, but we would like to manifest our serious reservations, Mr. President, for the record.
Noted, Senator Pangilinan. There is a pending motion by Senator Villanueva to close the period of nomination. Is there any objection? There being none, motion is hereby approved. Majority Leader.
May we ask, Mr. President, the newly elected Senate President to take his oath, Mr. President? And suspend the session. Mr.
Session is hereby suspended.
Sila ang nasa pwesto, taas no at matapang. Sila ang laging bida sa gitna ng bulwagan. Pero nang ihip ng hangin ay tuluyang nagbago. Biglang may sama ng loob, di maitago. Tito Soto at si Ping damang panghihinayang. Parang ayaw tanggapin na may bagong pinanghahawakan. Si Senador Arisa, galit ang tinig at pananalita. Bakit ba hirap tanggapin ang pasya ng masa? Di matanggap na napalitan sila. Galit sa dibdib ay di maitago pa. Bawat salita tila may pait at luha. Pero ang bayan ang siyang nagpasya. Panahon ay umiikot, gulong ng kapalaran. May bago ring hawak sa kinabukasan. Pwede namang tanggapin at magkaisa na para sa bayan, hindi para sa drama. Sa Senado naririnig ang bangayan araw-gabi. Mga salitang mabibigat umaabot sa tabi-tabi. Pero ang taong bayan tahimik lang nakatingin. Umaasang serbisyo ang tunay na dadalhin. Di habang panahon ay nasa taas ka lagi. May araw din ang bukas na iba katabi. Respeto sana ang manasa bawat pagbabago. Hindi yung puro galit na laging itinatago. Di matanggap na napalitan sila. Galit sa dibdib ay di maitago pa. Bawat salita tila may pait at luha. Pero ang bayan ang siyang nagpasya. Panahon ay umiikot, gulong ng kapalaran. May bago ring hawak sa kinabukasan. Pwede namang tanggapin at magkaisa na para sa bayan, hindi para sa drama. Serbisyo ang mahalaga, hindi ang posisyon. Boses ng mamamayan ang tunay na batayan. Kung may pagtutol man, sana'y may dangal pa rin. Dahil Pilipinas pa rin ang dapat isipin. Di matanggap pero tuloy ang laban. Bayan ang mas mahalaga kaysa kapangyarihan. Magkaiba man ang kulay at paninindigan, Pilipinas pa rin ang ating
Please subscribe to BTV Reacts channel and click the notification bell. Thank you, BTV friends!